Hello my beautiful people, welcome to Mercy Beauty of Styles channel. My name is Mercy. Today I'm going to work on a table setting for two. Today I'm participating in an open collab with other YouTubers. So I'm going to leave the ladies' link in the description box down below for you guys. You can check them out and make sure you guys tell them Mercy Beauty of Styles sent you. Today I'm keeping my centerpiece super low because you must be able to see the person's face when the person is telling you the declaration of love and everything, so you have to be able to look at the person in their eyes. I'm going to leave the link of everything that I use in the description box down below for you guys to check them out if you want to recreate the look. If you are new to this channel, welcome. I'm truly grateful to have you here. Please don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and hit on the notification bell. On my next upload, you'll be the first to know. In my channel, I do pretty much everything. I do my nails, I do my hair, I do home decor, home cleaning, DIY, and everything. To all my current subscribers, thank you so much, guys. I'm truly grateful for all of you. Without you, I will never be where I am today. I love you all. And keep on watching. This is the finished look, guys. Let me know what do you think, if you like it. If you do, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, like it, and share it. Bonsoir tout le monde, bienvenue sur Chanel Ça. C'est la première fois qu'on a réseau bienvenue. Bonne fête Saint-Valentin et s'il vous plaît, on a un peu de chocolat pour tomber. Please, pas oublier bon marine. S'il vous plaît, pas oublier abonner et puis partager avec vos amis. C'est pas pour première fois pour là. Moi tout merci un peu pour ce mot. Bonjour, bonsoir mes amours, bienvenue sur ma chaîne. Si vous êtes ici pour la première fois, je vous souhaite la bienvenue. Joyeux Saint-Valentin à vous tous. Je vous en prie, n'oubliez pas de vous abonner et de partager. Merci. Happy Valentine's Day to everyone. I hope this video inspired you to recreate a beautiful look for this Valentine. I hope you guys enjoyed it and thank you so much for taking your time watching it. I love you all and I'll see you on my next one. Bye!